You made a fool of me, but them broken dreams have got to end. Hey woman, you got the blues, 'cause you ain't got no one else to use. There's a open road you need to walk, so make some miles between here and there. There's a hole in my head where the rain comes in. You took my body and played to me. Ha ha, it's a crying shame, but you better get some yourself. You're gonna have to sit it down. But a fool and his heart is in their separate ways. You'll find a fool now you're gonna do. How, woman, what you gonna do? You destroyed all the virtues that love you had. So good that you feel away, but you better get your face on for the better straight. Oh, yeah. Evil woman, evil woman, evil woman, evil woman. Hey, hey, hey. Good evening, ladies and gents. Welcome to Mr. David John Hopper's birthday bash.